My brothers and my sisters on our door, this is on a beautiful sister, Laminatu Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicates. Any other Laminatu Nakabon copy, you me brother, they look me, you me sister, they look me. I want to feel free to share this video. I want to make this video make it go viral. But this video we I did do so today, now for we the woman. My sisters say, I the beg una in the name of God. Make we left for make me the money, the full we. Some of them and they always see them come. They don't see you say yes. You desperate. You are married. You want wear white for drag and people. Then they flash married before you. I go marry you. Someone they can't tell you say I go marry you. You know even your $1,000 in bank account. But they can't say I married you. Because they don't know say as they said then they married we don't miri. If you want me the sex now today, you foot now so you open that. Why don't tell you now say I married you? Why da? No, we left for fall for that. That's not scam. I'll be going to the name of God. And again, we the woman them, we can let for take the driver's seats. When the man they don't say I go marry you. We don't jump. We sit down at the driver's seat. No. Not so the driver's seat will belong. We na the passenger seats. Now we on seats. Now they don't force sit down. May them be the driver. May them take charge. But as the man can say, I married you. We don't jump. We're in a bank. We're to this cousin. We're to this auntie for lent money. For do a big wedding. Make I tell you, there's a difference between a wedding and marriage. Yes. When you married, it gets a marital bliss. Nothing on the way to like that money. You get forget marital bliss. If not, not for nothing. Would you go take them big loan? Because one minute talk about we wedding. I can tell when I want to trust me. People and they invite them for them on a wedding day. Yeah. Then they go there and sit down there. Hey, then they eat you eat. Fried rice, jollof rice, baked fish, baked chicken, salmon, salad. Then sit down. Then they eat your food conveniently. Then they drink you drink conveniently. Guess what? They still talk about you. So why make we try for impress people? I know when they see them get award for best wedding of the year, best wedding of the century. I don't want to see that. But these days, as we ready for marriage, with the man they say, I married you. Can't see me wedding. It go be married of the year. Can't see me wedding. It go be talk of the town. Who cares? At the end of the day, you don't go take plenty debts. Wait time they reach for pay now. Now then the confusion they come out. The man they don't care. The sisters say. They don't care. And you don't go send them loan and day. You don't go trust them debts and day. They know they give for put the name day. Now you want to go inside that all day. So why make you want to do that to you safe? If man say I married you, wanna work together. Save together. Hey, whether man when he add labor the inside it afraid for many married not done. Because what he sweats the inside. But if he sweats not the day, you the woman and you know don't take the driver's seat, in then at the passenger side, guess what? He no care. The married if you want to work, if you want to not work. Remember these days some man now na the man now then they pack the common house. Why? Because they not care. Why? Because what you do, the money not there inside the married. We the woman there. Now we the tonka katwa. Me married. Yes. Every woman want to make a married come out fine. But me we left for the take. The driver's side. We belong to the passenger side. Many man spend more. But now we they come out. We they buy we our clothes. We buy the man in clothes. We buy we ring. We buy the man in ring. It means that we don't want to marry the man. put money na the calabash, then carry and go, or put money na the Bible, then carry and go. The man no go even respect you. Now that make most of the man they nowadays. They don't respect married. They don't get the value of married. They don't care. Because why? The money not there inside. They not struggle for make them get you. Because if they struggle, they work hard, wanna save money for make that married. Trust me, if you get confusion, the man not they pack and come out. Wanna they solve it amicably inside us. The man they nowadays, now they move. The suitcase they don't pack already. Fat, small fats. Pia, it don't move. It's suitcase already. It don't go. Why? Now you don't go to baby kids. And when I can see after the married and they plabber, they know they don't know how to say plabber. Because the man asks the worm, you said you ask the worm. And so the man will even tell you, say, not to me tell you, say, me go take dates. Me talk say they married you, I don't be no say the married go come on like fairy tale. Trouble for them. That's the way they already for left the dates give you. They fall inside that pit. Because I even go take you dates. Now you name the end of the day. You name not the day. So for make it take a walk, it easily like 1, 2, 3. My sister say, every woman want for wear white. Don't get me wrong. It's a beautiful thing. When make you go to a family room, I turn and look at picture and say, wow, this is beautiful. Any woman will say, you know, want for wear white. When I tell her, say, Lamina to Sanko, say, it's a lie. Every woman want for wear white. But at the beguna in the name of God, Lord not hang we safe in the name of wearing a white wedding gown. Them man they have the money they get for the dip and them married ya. If man they come for come marry you, make it buy in your clothes. He buy you ring, he buy in your ring. That money na the calbas and that money na the Bible na irresponsibility. Yes. Married na teamwork. Teamwork. No can't turn macho. I go buy the ring. I go buy the clothes. I go do this. I go do this. No, the man will get value of this wedding or the marriage or the relationship. Then can take a walk at any time because they hardly will know the inside. You, my sister, when you look at me, you are beautiful. You are a gemstone. You are pearl. You are priceless. Not settle down for less. When man say I married you, wanna work together as team and save the money. Not on the man. Always be a woman. Then at the driver's, at the passenger side. Let we left outside the driver's side. The driver's side now for the man them. Yes. Man said they married you. See what he bring come. See the efforts what he puts. I don't want this suicide and give award for best wedding. No. I would like to see that. Or best wedding award goes to. Wedding of the year goes to. Award goes to. Wedding of the century awards goes to. No. I don't want to see it. My sister say. Not to pass you married before you go happy. You can be single and then you are happy. Not so we all wedding and those happy. Some of we we not happy woman and they beat we every now and then and they beat we. Then they kick we and they box we. So when you single, not take a course. See, don't wait for God in time. Don't rush it. No make me any man can fool you. I go marry you, I go marry you. Then you go to big dates for make a wedding. Now that's make as you married and done so. Fets don't begin come, now the host. Plumber don't begin come, now the host. Because how for pay them debts then day. Who cannot take me the luxurious wedding then day. The man asks the one, the woman asks the one. And the beguna in the name of God, my sisters say. I know one day you read that best wedding, wedding of the year, wedding of the century. No. Know your worth. When man said he married you, Allah will make you take the driver's side. You take the passenger side. Una work together. Marriage na teamwork. Una go for put money together and build them up. I love you guys. Feel free to share this video. Mwah.